This is another video describing yet another DeWalt ToughSystem 2.0 design defect. It concerns all of the racking storage systems. I will show this on the workshop storage system, model number DWST 08260, but this affects the low van rack DWST 08240, high van rack DWST 08241, and the DS carrier trolley toolbox dolly DWST 08210. I will pause the video, set a ToughSystem 2.0 box, and show you that in certain configurations there is a design flaw preventing customer from using this properly and safely, I suppose. I have set the ToughSystem 2.0 medium toolbox onto the brackets, but this defect is repeatable on the small ToughSystem 2.0 toolbox and the extra large ToughSystem 2.0 toolbox. So as one attempts to slide the box in, there is no clicking sound. The box is still not latched. It clearly moves back and forth no matter how hard you hit it, but I advise against hitting. Anyway, you can see that the handles which are supposed to latch onto the bracket are not. On both sides there's about an eighth of an inch distance that the box needs to still go in, and it cannot. And it cannot because of the same hinge problem. The design of the hinge is such that when you have a bracket mounted right below the wall mount, you will encounter this problem. The ToughSystem 2.0 boxes all cannot clear this wall mounting. They will hit right into it. And the way to overcome this, I would suggest using a heat gun and heating symmetrically the wall mounts where the hinge of the box touches them, and while the wall mount is still soft and pliable, to push the toolbox in until the handles click onto the brackets. I will now pause the video and show that the same problem does not occur with the original ToughSystem 1.0 toolboxes. I have now set a DeWalt ToughSystem 1.0 small toolbox onto the brackets, and the absence of the problem is repeatable on all ToughSystem 1.0 boxes, the medium and the extra large one. So as you slide the box in, you can clearly hear a good click. The handles are latched on, obviously on both sides. You cannot pull the box off the brackets. The hinges of the box are a good quarter of an inch below the wall mounting. So this is a clear design flaw of the and market not readiness of the DeWalt ToughSystem 2.0 toolboxes. The previous design flaw in my previous video was described due to the hinge flaw. This hinge, although a different flaw, is now preventing the full use of the racking storage system, and shows the not complete compatibility of the ToughSystem 2.0 boxes with the racking system. What I do not understand is why would DeWalt release a raw product to consumer, and not only that, but why would a consumer such as I do the DeWalt's product research and development work for free. Sorry for the inconvenience, does not cut it for me. It's too large to be put into my pocket. I would need something much smaller and more tangible. Thank you.